bees restoration. I'm just going to show you the materials that are going to be needed for doing the gilding. Overnight I've made some more size, that is the glue. I have my measuring devices and I went shopping at Cornelisson's Sons. Thank you to the staff there. Before I start, I'd like to give a big thank you to Kathy at Cornelisson. She's the gilder there. She took time out from the day to actually go through the pros and cons of gilding, what to do, what to think about. So we have a gold cutting knife, that's for the gold leaf, cutting the gold leaf. We have the cushion. With its shield, just for any breezes. That's for cutting the gold leaf. Should my pocket one way. That is the knife. Has a flat edge, so that you don't damage the cushion by cutting right through to the cushion. Right, I opted for two burnishers. Burnishers are used to kind of dull the gold down at the end. Straight and angle burnisher. Because obviously I'm going to be working in amongst the frame. I have my brushes for picking up the actual gold leaf. And this one will be used if I need to make any small adjustments once the gold leaf is on. Yeah. I have my gold leaf. I have two different squirrel hair brushes. This is the one I showed you before, when I used to dust out. And I have a little baby squirrel hair brush, which I'll have to use to flatten out something. Obviously, I have my gloves, and while researching, I found out it's actually better for novice gilders like myself to use a little bit of alcohol when creating a glue to stick the gold leaf to. I'll only be using a hazelnut, kind of that size of the glue, and I'll be dissolving that in 100 ml of water and 25 ml of isopropanol. It's isopropanol alcohol, 99.9% pure. I only need a small amount, but way to get the product you need in that size. So, as I said, I'll be doing double boiler just to get my glue, and come back and join me once I start my gilding.